Good day everyone. In this video, I will perform the step-by-step installation of Active Directory using Windows Server 2019. Step 1. We need to open the Server Manager. Then, right-click on Manage on the Server Manager window and choose Add Roles and Features. We'll open the Add Roles and Features wizard. Click on Next. Click Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and click on Next. Then next, we're going to choose Active Directory Domain Services. On the page, just click on Add Features tab. Then next. Just hit next and next. After confirming your selections, you can install it. After you have finished installing directory domain services, just click the flag button and click promote this server to a domain controller. Select add a new forest, then add your organization's root domain name and click on next. On the domain controller options, leave the defaults checked and input your password. After that, click next. Uncheck create DNS so you can click next. Then next. And next. Just click next again. After prerequisites check, you can click install. Just click close. After that, the server will reboot and you can log in into the domain with the credentials that you set. So now we can enter our password that we created earlier. Finally, I've created an Active Directory domain services installed and can be managed by Active Directory Administrative Center. That's all. Thank you.